guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Capricorn inspired makeup tutorial using the Stay Neutral palette. I'm going to be putting a mix of Sunflower and Cool in my crease. And blending it all over the lid. And I'm going to be taking a darker brush and using Breeze to deepen it up. I'm going to be taking a packing brush and putting espresso and bean on the outer corner of the lid. And I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines. And for the lid itself, I am going to be taking Trick, which is a gold shimmer shade. And then I'll be finishing the look using some mascara and cleaning up. Alright, so this is the final look. I used the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy to finish everything off. And even though I will be wearing a mask for most of the day, since I do need to go out and get pet supplies, still makes me feel really confident knowing that I look good underneath. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, or if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I don't care. Share your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.